Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your email autoresponder in System.io. We know that as online entrepreneurs, it's very, very important for you to have an email list, okay? So if you have friends or you have followers on social media, they're not your customers, they're not yours because those platforms could take away your account anytime. So it's very important to have a way to channel your followers into your email list, and then you can send them your offers, you can send them your newsletters, any news about what's going on in your business and things like that. Hi, my name is Esther with the Tenacious Passive Income. And so, I talk a lot about System.io. This is what I use for my business. I love it. I love its simplicity. We have some other videos. I think I will leave some links around here where I've been talking about how to set up your landing page within System.io. But today I'm going to show you how to set up your email automation, okay? So here, this is a test account. So let's see what happens with the test account, which is completely free, not test account, but a free account. You can manage up to 2,000 email subscribers. You can have up to 3 sales funnels. Within those 3 sales funnels, you can have up to 15 steps. And unfortunately, it only comes with one automation rule, okay? So you can only set up one automation rule that I'm going to show you. But of course, as your business grows, then you can upgrade to a paid plan. I'll leave a link below where you can open the free account to just test things around. And if you need to upgrade to a startup plan, I actually have an extra 10% discount. So you can get this paid plan at 40% discount. So I'll have the link somewhere in the description box. So let's see. So you have your landing page. In the last video, we looked at how to create a landing page. Again, I think that video is part of this series. So today we're looking at how to set up the email autoresponder. Okay, so let's see. I think it was here. Yeah. So in this case, I have a new coaching business and I want to attract clients. So I'm offering an ebook. Okay. So how do I deliver that ebook to anybody who subscribes to my email list? So I will come here and set up what we call a funnel steps. We'll set up a rule such that when they subscribe to that funnel step, okay, what happens after that? So let's see. So here I've used the one rule that comes with my free account. If I go in here, I have 2 things that I've said. I've said assign them a tag, okay? So in this case, the tag is called newsletter. This is very, very important for segmentation of your email list. And we'll look at that in another lesson. But it's important for you to segment your leads or your email list members, so that you send relevant information to the relevant groups. Yeah, so you're not sending things that are not applicable to certain groups of people. Otherwise, that tends to be very annoying. So when you're sending emails, you can select which group or which list that email goes to. The next thing we'll do is that we'll say, okay, as soon as they subscribe, send them an email. So here you can put the header, the email header, and then you can add the email by clicking on this plus icon. In this case, I already did the email, so I'm going to pretend that I want to edit it so you see what it looks like. So if I click here, I say, here's your free download. Hi, friend. I'm very happy to deliver your email, your ebook. And you can write as much more as you want to do here. It's your one shot with the lead, okay? Because they're expecting the lead magnet, so they will definitely open your email. So you can put as much, you can welcome them, tell them a bit about yourself, about your business, what else you do, how can they get back to you. Just a very friendly and inviting email. Don't just say, hi friend, this is your ebook, bye, see you, So always maximize on your first shot, the first instance that you have with the lead. But so that's how you set it up. So then you save the rule. And so as soon as somebody subscribes to your landing page, immediately the system is going to apply this tag and is going to automatically send them that email, okay? So that's the first step. Now, in the next video, we're going to look at how you set up what we call your email sequence, because once you've delivered the lead magnet, you need to have a series of emails where you continue to nurture them. Maybe you can send them more gifts. just a nice way to make them feel comfortable in your email list before you start, bombarding them with your offers. You're not going to do that, but just, so we'll look at that in the next video. All right. Okay. So see you on the other side.